if I were to go to the mountains, I would definitely be bundled up a little bit more because we are seeing some light flurries in our local locations. In the deserts as well, we had a system move through, and earlier this week we also had a rainbow, so I just want to show that to you guys. There was a desert rainbow out in Lancaster. David Joseph Photo sending this out. Again, reminding us to have a good week ahead, although we do have weather right now. Always make the best of it, folks. Lancaster here today. Here is your forecast. Good morning to you. You're going to start off in the 50s as we head to 8 and 9 o'clock. So again, still very chilly out there in the 40s, but you're going to get warmer, you can say a little bit faster. Oh, those numbers are a little bit different. They're not going to be in the 70s, actually. We're going to be pretty cool in the 60s. So I'll give you an update on that here in a second. Now, if you have any photos to share with us, send them at Shauna Shots or hashtag Shauna NBCLA. I would look for those as well. Now, what to expect today? Okay, we are looking a lot colder and windy for everybody. So areas that don't usually get the wind, like the wind sheltered spots in downtown LA, some of those locations will get some wind. So you're seeing some debris out there, lots of leaves, lots of palm fronds as well, and it's going to be a blustery day in the 50s and 60s. So that's a big major correction there for the deserts. You're looking much cooler here today. Wind shift overnight here and become offshore. So instead of a northerly wind that comes straight through everybody here and gives us all wind, we're only going to see it for certain locations tomorrow. And then when the wind starts to calm down on Monday, we'll see things ease up and then we'll say goodbye to the wind for now. But there's a possible location that we could be seeing more wind later this week, and we'll get to that here in your forecast. Now, here are your wind gusts. Michelle asked me earlier, what are the winds through the grapevine? So if you look right here at the coloring, again, past the valleys and up through the grapevine, there's pink right there. So if you look at the legend, that's anywhere between 40 and 50 mile per hour wind gusts at this time. So that's the occasional burst of wind that comes in here and there. Again, it could shake you off your feet, knock you over. If it's up to 50 miles per hour, it's a very strong wind gust. And up through the grapevine, again, driving there will be shaky because not only do you have the wind, but you also have some snow flurries moving in. So visibility is poor. It is very cold and it is windy. Let's take a look at the beaches where temperatures are going to be in the 30s and 20s here. Our winds 30s and 20s here for you. Long Beach, we've got 37 mile per hour wind gust there, 20 for you in San Bernardino. And as we time out the wind gust, we do have the wind shifting here as we go to bed tonight. So we start off with this afternoon. The wind isn't really going to change very much here till we get to this evening. So expect a very windy day from now till about 7 p.m. tonight. Then we get to 10 and we start to see a little bit of shift of wind here in your wind gust futurecast. LA starts to ease up in terms of the wind. And then we get to tomorrow morning and you can see it becomes a northeast to southwest wind. That is your typical wind prone areas that get those Santa Ana winds. And they're not going to be quite as strong as what we're seeing today. None of those 50 to 60 mile per hour wind gusts, but you can see those colors go down and those numbers go down as well to about 20 to 30. So below advisory level, below warning level as well by tomorrow. And by tomorrow night, we'll start to see those winds ease up for us in Southern California and we'll start to calm things down. Now, because of the clear skies and some of the wind, here in the Inland Empire, you got a little area of blue there, and you also have one towards Ventura County. That's going to be a freeze watch because temperatures will be down to 30 degrees tomorrow with some of the coldest temperatures of the week. So we'll follow that forecast for you here. Otherwise, we're dry from now through possibly Saturday. Saturday, there's another system that may arrive in Southern California, but the timing is still coming together. And depending on where the track of the storm heads, we might see something very similar to what we saw today with just the wind and no rain here locally. Might just be mountain snow for us here later this weekend, or later next weekend, so we'll watch that. Windy conditions here for today. It's going to be a wintry Sunday, you can call it, and then we get to tomorrow and things clear out and they stay cold. 8 degrees for the mountains tomorrow, coldest temperatures of the season so far. And then we'll watch for a couple more systems after that. All right, everybody, that's a look at your forecast. Make it a great Sunday. We'll send it right back to you, Michelle.